Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're currently studying in the UK or planning to, and you're wondering how to stay back and build a career after graduation, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to legally stay in the UK after your studies, even long-term, using the graduate route and skilled worker visas. Grab your notebook because this is a complete step-by-step guide you don't want to miss. Yes, it is absolutely possible to stay back in the UK after your studies, but you must know the rules and act early. Let's break it down so you can make it happen confidently. Can you stay in the UK after your studies? Yes, the UK allows international students to stay and work once they finish their degree, but timing and visa type are key. And there are two main routes most people use. The graduate route visa 2-3 years. The skilled worker visa up to 5 years. What is the graduate route visa? The graduate route visa is like your first ticket into the UK job market after uni. Let's break it down. Lets you live and work in the UK for 2 years or 3 years if you have a PhD. No job offer required. You can work any job, part-time or full-time. Must have a valid student visa and apply from within the UK. You must complete and pass your degree, bachelor's, master's or PhD. Starts from the day it's approved. One thing to note, you cannot extend this visa, but it's your chance to get UK work experience and then transition into a longer-term visa. Who can apply? You must have completed your course at a licensed university. You must be still in the UK when you apply. Your university must confirm your course completion to the Home Office. What about family? If your family already lives in the UK under your student visa, they can also apply to stay under the graduate route, but they need to be in the UK before your application. They can't join you later from abroad. What is the skilled worker visa? Now, this is the visa that takes things to the next level. Once you've used your graduate visa period wisely, you can switch to the skilled worker visa, which can last for up to 5 years and leads to permanent residency. Requirements. You need a real job offer from a licensed UK employer, a certificate of sponsorship (COS) from the employer. The job must be approved and meet salary minimums. You must meet English requirements. This visa can be extended and used as a bridge to indefinite leave to remain (ILR), your permanent residency after 5 years. How to stay step by step. Step 1. Confirm you're eligible for the graduate route while still studying. Step 2. Use the graduate visa smartly, build experience, apply for UK roles. Step 3. Search early for companies willing to sponsor you after graduation. Step 4. Meet skilled worker requirements, job, salary, skills. Step 5. Prepare application documents and funds. 6. Switch visas. Keep building your career toward permanent residency. Important tip. Start planning before you graduate. Don't wait until your visa is about to expire before thinking about all this. Network, build your CV, use LinkedIn and target companies that sponsor visas. Bonus tip. If you'd like to learn about other work routes like health and care visas or research visas, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video just for that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post more guides every week for international students like you. Drop a comment telling me where you plan to study or work in the UK.